About this item multifunctional outlet splitter, this multi-plug outlet extender can turn 2 into 5, plus 4 USB ports, 1680 joule surge protector. Protect electronics by improving your power quality. Wall plug design, no messy power cable, no desktop space occupation, perfect solution for dorm room, bedside. Smart USB wall charger, 5B 4.2A shared rating, USB-A port up to 2.4A, USB-C port up to 3A max. This USB wall charger can detect charged devices and deliver charging speed, compatible with cell phone, camera, laptops, power bank, and more USB devices. Wall mountable design, just plug the surge protector into a standard grounded duplex wall receptacle, and if you want secure it on duplex outlet, just need a screwdriver to use the screw included, then you don't need worry about falling off. Safety guaranteed, with the built-in 1680J surge protector, are electrical multi-outlets with 3 complementary surge protection circuits, TVs, transient voltage suppressor, MOV, metal oxide restore, GDT, gas discharge tube, combined with fire-resistant casing, fire-resistant 1382 degrees Fahrenheit, keeping you and your devices completely safe. Protected indicator light on to show your devices are protected. After sale service, ETL certified. Our friendly and reliable customers